How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of Junior 1. Our today's topic is greater than and smaller than sign. This is lesson number 17 and HW number 17 also. Dear students, let us start our today's class. Dear student, at first we want to introduce with two symbols. One is greater than symbol and another is smaller than symbol. Dear students, this symbol is called greater than symbol. It means the number of this side will be greater and number of this side will be smaller. Again, this symbol denotes smaller than and it indicates that number of this side is smaller and number of this side will be greater. Dear students, here 2 points exist in this side. In right side 2 points exist, so number of right side will be greater, and in left side 1 point exists, that means number of left side will be smaller. Again, in the case of this symbol, in left side 2 dot exist, so number of left side will be greater, and in right side only 1 dot exists, so the number of right side will be smaller. Okay, now we'll put appropriate symbol smaller than or greater than in the blank box. Dear students, here in one number, two number given 321 and 312. Now the question, 321, is it greater or smaller than 312? 321, we know that here in 100 place 300 and here in 100 place also 300 exists, but in tens place here 2 exists and in tens place here 1 exists, so that this number will be greater. That means 321 will be greater than 312, so that we will put here greater than sign. That means the number of left side will be greater, so that we have put 2 dot in left side and 1 dot in right side. Now two numbers, 409 and 490. In hundreds place both sides 400 exist, but in tens place here 0 exists, here 9 exists. That means 490 will be greater and 409 will be smaller. So 409, this number is smaller than this number. 409 is smaller than 490. Since left side number is smaller, so 1 dot will come in left side, and since right side number is greater, so 2 dot will come in right side. Now three numbers, two numbers here in left side 490 exists, but in right side 392 exists. Here in left side in hundreds place 400, but here in 300, so this number will be, first number is greater number, so we will write here greater than symbol. That means 2 dot will come in left side and 1 dot will come in right side. Now for number 117 and 171. In hundreds place 1 exists, here also 1 exists, but in tens place here 1 exists, here 7 exists. That means this number is greater and it's smaller than this number, so we will write here a smaller than symbol. A smaller than means 2 dot will come in right side and 1 dot will come in left side. Now 5 number, 227 and 300. You are easily know that 300 is greater, that means 227, this is smaller than this number, so we will put here a smaller than symbol. That means 1 dot will come in this side and 2 dot will come in this side. Okay, dear students, we have finished our today's CW. I think you have understood today's class. We have to practice more and more. at whom now I am giving you SW. Dear students, our today's SW number 17 number SW, and here 1 to 5 question given. You have to put appropriate symbol in the blank box. Okay, do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.